In this video, we're going to talk about Phonesites, which is a Salesforce software designed to help you easily create landing pages and so much more to help you drive sales. Without further ado, let's jump into today's video. So guys, jumping across to Phonesites. Now, you've probably heard of ClickFunnels. This is a similar platform to ClickFunnels, but I do like it more because it offers a lot more flexibility and also its pricing is far more attractive. Turn more of your visitors into customers. Obviously, the name of the game is turning that traffic into paying customers because paid traffic is becoming more and more expensive all of the time. This allows you to build websites, landing pages, surveys, pop-ups, digital business cards in just 10 minutes, all from your phone, which is why it's far more useful than perhaps a desktop computer. And why it's really helpful to build it on your phone is because building great looking websites, etc. for desktop is probably something that was more suitable for 5-10 years ago, but now because of the age of the smartphone, many people don't even use desktop computers now or laptops. They literally just surf the web from their phone. So it's more likely you're going to be able to convert people into paying customers if you build it on your phone. You get more of the user experience and you can transfer more of the user experience to your customers via your mobile phone. So we can see, guys, down below the websites that are powered by Phonesites. Mitsubishi, Ford, these are some of the biggest automobile companies in the world. You know that Phonesites therefore is a high quality and reliable feature. It will get you tons of different leads, guys. You can use it on any device. So while yes, you can build it on your smartphone, you're still going to be able to access the website on laptops, computers, etc. You can collect leads, sell products, optimize and grow your community, grow your business. There's no coding needed or anything like that with 500 plus templates, email automation, and 1,000 plus integrations. So pretty much absolute all-in-one Salesforce solution. It allows you to create high converting landing pages extremely fast. So if you, like me, like to test lots of different landing pages and test lots of different products, this is a great way to do it. So you can do split testing by creating multiple designs, seeing which ones perform the best. Down below, we can see that it gives you lots of different tools in order to help your business grow, such as automated emails, SMS follow-ups, pop-ups, forms to collect leads on web pages, as well as AI copyrighted creating text for your web pages. This is really exciting stuff and is ultimately the future of the internet. It allows you to enjoy unlimited websites, traffic and leads to create, publish and sell without any limits. Go unlimited and keep the keys to the kingdom. It's been on awards lists for Forbes, MSN and Inc. And not only is it super simple to use, but if you have any problems, there's people here who are going to be able to help you with the world-class support. As well as that, you have access to all the different training communities and things. There's guided orientation calls, weekly workshops, as well as 24/7 support from their chat teams. You can see all the reviews from places like the Bank of America and all the people who have been using and making the most of this site. These are all the different integrations. So I'm sure if you're using any integrations, you're going to be able to find them using Phonesites. Then down below, we got recent insights and blogs. Tons of information available on this website, guys. So get down into the link below and you can come across and find out what's going on. If we come across to softwareadvice.com, you can see Phonesites software has 4.98 stars, which is pretty impressive in terms of the reviews, and just one review being 4 stars rather than 5. Coming down below, you can see all of the different reviews. Things like saying, I haven't found any cons of using it. It's hard to say what I like best. The site is easy to set up and I love their online Facebook community. Tons and tons of positive feedback from loads of professional people who've been using this service. So one of the cool things that we can see about Phonesites is it does offer a free trial. So if we click on get started with the free trial, we can see we will get a 14-day free trial. Okay, so filling in my basic details, I'll get a 14-day free trial. That brings me to this dashboard page here. What's really cool, guys, I like how it keeps everything in one place, from total leads, unique views, total views, etc. Also tells me the hottest templates you can use, as well as various other features, such as joining their Facebook community, which I've been told is an extremely useful way to help build your websites and improve the service that you're offering to your customers. You can see that there's a Phonesites Bootcamp, affiliate kickoff training, and digital business card design. If we come down through, we can see my websites. Clicking on create design is going to allow me to choose a blank website or a template. If I go to templates and I want to select a particular niche that I'm interested in, so for example, let's just select here beauty and health, you can can then see all of the ones below. Then if I want to choose one of them, I can then go and click on it, and then I can go through and change it into whatever I want. So you can see I just click on install now, and then I'll basically drag and drop, change all the information to suit my own. And then within literally 10 minutes, guys, you can create your own high-powered selling machine. You can see there's tons of different templates available for all different types of business, whether that be web digital, whether that be things like hospitality. You get the picture, guys. Coming down to settings, you can see that they will also have tools like AI writers, so I can use an AI tool to write things for me. I've got postcard management to allow things like postcards and buttons, contact link generator, widget builder, QR code generator, text link generator, and so much more. This allows me to not only have a great website, but it's also going to give me all the tools to work with email automation, SMS automation, to build rapport with your customers and ultimately keep them coming back to gain more followers, gain more sales, etc. guys. This is a phenomenal product. I'm very excited about it. You should definitely come and check it out, guys. If you're interested in running digital business, or you have already your online business and looking for a transition, then get across, take the free trial and see how phenomenal this platform is and how quickly you can build a business. Even if you don't have a business already, guys, go to affiliate sites. You can find affiliate products to promote. You then create a funnel through this platform in just like 10 to 20 minutes. You start running traffic, and then you pretty much built a digital business in literally half an hour. The world that we live in right now is very exciting, and there's definitely opportunities to be had. So obviously there's a free trial available on all of these. If we click on pricing, you can see it's either available from monthly or yearly. Obviously going through yearly is going to give you a bit of a discount. The essential starts at $79, guys, with custom domain, unlimited subdomains, 5 websites, unlimited leads, 5 credits, AI writing, manage 5+ cards, which is actually very affordable. Once you start taking into account things like domain names, email addresses, etc., this is actually very cheap. The unlimited is $119, and that gives me tons of different things. But the unlimited plus is going to give you extras on top, like funnel closer training, 12 funnel templates. So if you are already in a well-established business, this could well be for you. Clicking on the yearly, guys, you will get obviously a little bit of a discount by going through the yearly over a monthly, but you can obviously decide whether or not this is for you by going through the trial. Coming to the about page, guys, you can see that this has been making over 4 years. This has allowed them to build up a lot of trust from their clients, but as well as that, to really double down on the things that work and provide the templates and tools for you to be able to build your successful business in a very short space of time. Guys, in summary, Phonesites is a great way for you to build your online websites using either your phone or your desktop, which enables you to optimize the performance of your website or landing pages on mobile devices. It also offers tons of different ways for you to interact with your customers after the point of sale or after the point of visiting your website with various pop-ups, etc. If you enjoyed the video, guys, make sure you smash the thumbs up button. Go and check out Phonesites now through that link in the description if you want to get hold of the free trial. And if you're new to the channel, you'll want to learn more about amazing digital products as they get released, hit that subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.